Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning in again on another Closing Bell with Mr.Stacks. Appreciate y'all checking out the video this afternoon. Been a lot going on in the market today. I'm not sure if everyone was able to catch up on this morning's video that was posted. But we did have some good trades that we took on Friday as well as this morning, where we're able to make a little bit of change. I kind of wanted to just touch base on, as far as some of the stocks that moved around, what we ended up trading, as far as anything new we might have seen moving around also in the market. But the ones that I have up here right now, I ended up picking up NAOV. For those that follow the videos, y'all know this is one of our popular ones we've been actually talking about over the last couple of weeks. We still have XELA Technologies up here also. WORX is the one we talked about this morning, and then we also have KXIN, which is KXIN Auto Holdings, I think is what it's called. This is a new one I picked up. Not necessarily a new one. I talked about this one last week when we first started seeing a lot of volume come in, and I just started looking at this one coming down, testing certain levels. So I wanted to pick this one back up, kind of point some attention at it, and maybe get y'all's thoughts on what y'all think about this stock as an option here. But kind of just diving in right now, let's go ahead and start off from the top here. NAOV, Nano Vibronics. This is a stock that we talked about, like I was saying, like last week and the week before. We've had some recent news that was posted as far as some of their products that were released, and there are some popular products that we know is probably going to start pushing this price up here pretty soon. I'm not sure when. We're kind of just been following the price action and the movement of the charts here, and right now I'm just kind of seeing it holding some key levels, so I kind of wanted to point it out as far as some of the news that was also released earlier today that's been kind of driving up the volume. But right now, as you can see on the daily, we did hit a high earlier today, about 270 or so, but we ended up seeing a lot of selling pressure there, ended up pushing the price back down. Right now we're holding around a key level about 229, 230. This is where I ended up jumping on a pretty hefty position here. I really feel like this is a key level we've been holding as a support here in the past, as you can see on the daily. And I'm just kind of trying to see if maybe tomorrow we should see more of an up day. We have been trying to push out and break out here, but we just haven't had something drive it enough momentum to break through these levels here. But as you can see, we had about over 100% of our daily average volume coming in, and hopefully we can kick this up and start turning green here. We can get this into the green. We can probably start to see these higher levels here. We need a breakthrough to about 280 is where we've been kind of holding. We got up to $3, I believe, back in July. But right here in the short term, last week or so, we've been holding around 270, 280. So I'm just looking to load up here is what I did, and trying to maybe push through one of these higher levels. So that's what we're looking to do here, hopefully in the next few days. This one kind of pushed up out of nowhere. There was an article released earlier for one of their other products. Nano Vibronics gets Australian Therapeutic Goods Administration approval for its Pain Shield MD system. So as you can see, kind of pushed the price up earlier in the morning hours, but we've kind of trailed down since, and we've been holding around 230. So I thought that was a good level to buy. Took a pretty hefty position there, about 1,000 shares. I'm gonna see what happens moving into tomorrow. Hopefully we can push above this level here. But yeah, I just wanted to point this one out. If y'all wanted to catch up on the video as to how we've been following it, I'll post some of the videos below on this one here, where you can kind of catch yourself up on what's been going on with this stock here. XELA Technologies, not much really happening today. I do know we have our earnings coming out tomorrow. Really hoping that we have some good numbers and we can push through some of these levels we've been holding at. As you can see, we've come down from highs, and we've kind of been pushing up and consolidating at the same time, curling up to this level here. So we're looking to break through this hopefully tomorrow. It can go either way though. There's no guarantee. It's kind of how I feel following this this stock. They've had a lot of good news released and a lot of new like applications and software that they have out for as far as their technology that they have. So it's pretty cool is what they're doing. But you can always check out those videos also and catch yourself up on those as to more of a deep dive on this company. But today, yeah, not a lot going on. 21% of our daily average. Kind of came down from where we opened at today, I believe. I wasn't really focused on this one too much today, but yeah, came up to about 335, but came down. We're sitting around 309 right now. We've been holding support around that $3 level, so this is actually not a bad time to buy in if you are interested in this stock. You can maybe wait for it to come back down a little lower, but we've been holding real good around $3, 295. I don't think we've broken through, you know, certain levels around 285. I think was a low back on Thursday last week. So yeah, $3, good time to take a position there if you are wanting to trade this stock. We're looking to see what happens tomorrow. Like I said, earnings are coming out. And if they are good, we may see a lot of attention drawn to this stock, and it may start to push this price up. So just keep that in mind. Hold on 1 second. So yeah, stock 3 here. We had WORX. If y'all seen the video I posted this morning, hopefully y'all are able to get on this trade. This was a pretty good trade we had. As we started to see it break out here, I posted a video as I was watching it before it actually started to take off. Kind of called it here before the volume started coming in, and as we broke out, as you can see, everybody started drawing into this stock here. 146 million shares traded over a daily average of 10. We're at 1,400% over our daily average, which is a significant amount of volume coming in today. We've had support levels around $3. As you can see, we're holding from Friday. And we've kind of been pushing sideways since. So reason why I was calling this one out, I really felt like we would squeeze up again today, which we did. And we've been holding a level around $4 or so, as you can see throughout the day. We hit a high of $5. I ended up taking profits here. I already knew there was probably going to be a sell-off, which happened here. And the bears kind of took over, as you can see, closing out the day here, coming to the end of the market here. But as you can see, we're still holding 21-day moving average. We're kind of playing with that moving average right now, 385, but they're still trying to push the price down as we speak. We could potentially come all the way back down, 338 or so, probably hit the 50-day moving average. We could probably still hold here, but if we do start to push back up, I really think we can take this this price a lot higher. We have a high of $14 in the past. Today just had a good run. I'm sure everybody, as myself, we took our profits knowing we made, a few $100s there. So it's not a bad thing. Sometimes these stocks do have to take a little breather. But if we hold support here around the, the 21-day moving average, this may be another buy point here. As you can see, I do have a line drawn. This is more of a level I was seeing as far as resistance and support here. Can give or take here on the cent, but that's kind of a level I was following that I had myself, that I was drawing up there. But basically, yeah, this one's kind of taking a breath. We'll like to see how it moves in the after hours. It could end up pushing back up, and we'll see how it plays out moving into the morning to see if there's still any momentum or volume still moving around in this stock here. But yeah, this was a good win for us today. Everybody that was able to get on board, I'm sure y'all made a nice little chunk of change. If you're still holding your position, I don't think it's really over with this stock, even though we did give up some of those gains there. It's always good to at least take something, you don't want to lose out everything. But as I said, hopefully we can hold here and continue to move higher. Looking at the long term, as you can see, we were green, but it looks like we may close in the red. But if we can still hold around this level, this was a key level that I was calling here. If not, $3, maybe $3.50. We may be seeing these levels here before we start moving up again. But yeah, that was a good trade though. I was pretty excited about that one. Last stock of the day, we have KXIN, KXIN Auto Holdings. This is one that I wanted to call out. I'm not really in this stock, but I've been watching it. I may look to maybe jump in. I don't know. We'll have to see how it plays out. But Friday, this one had a lot of volume come in as they started a new business deal with some other company. I'm not sure what. Check out the video. I'll post that one also below so y'all can kind of catch up on that information. But yeah, they signed some new business deal. It started pushing up the volume on Friday. So you can see we have a low of about $1.60. We've got up to about 337 on Friday, and we've kind of been coming back down since, hitting these levels. We bounced off that 50-day moving average, and we're starting to squeeze in between the 21-day right here, and it's starting to cause the price to squeeze. We hit about, this key level I had drawn. As soon as we hit that level, we broke out and we took off. So like 266, I already have these lines drawn for these support and resistance levels. And as you can see, we just broke out, and we're really starting to push higher. So we're looking to break through this level, about $3. I would call that a buy. You can get into this stock. I really feel like we can push this price a lot higher. We have a history of 1340 back in October last year. Even though that was a while back, we've actually tested other levels since then. $6 here back in February. So I really think we can hit these levels here. As you can see on the 4-hour, we're using this as support already. Look at that. And we're pushing up. So you want to call it now or wait for us to hit that $3 mark. We'll use that as support also. Would be another level, which I'll probably draw here later on. But we're holding volume 312% above our daily average. We're still pushing from Friday, and I really think we can take this up still, y'all. This is literally just started to break out again. So get on it while you can before we actually start breaking through these higher levels. You can make we're looking about $2 to $3 here probably. And that's the end of the market today. It's 3 o'clock, as you can tell. But these are the 4 stocks of the day. If you ain't got them on the watch list, add them. Keep an eye on these. XELA for tomorrow, we're going to be looking to push higher, as well as some of these other ones that there's a lot of attention and interest in as we speak. But I'm going to be leaving some videos below. Also, I'll add the Discord. We opened up a Discord. I'll be adding the link below for those that want to chat live, more of a real-time trading experience, I guess you can say. But please feel free to leave your thoughts and your comments below, and we can chop it up again tomorrow. Appreciate everybody tuning in this afternoon, and we'll catch up then. Peace.